This right here is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and we are unboxing it right now. Let's go. So this Galaxy S25 Plus has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of onboard storage, and it runs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It has a special edition made for Samsung devices. So you can see right here, Galaxy S25 Plus right there for you. You can see right here all the other information right there. You could barely see the 512 gigabytes. Here's all the extra stuff and this, that, the other thing. Now let's unbox this thing. Very easy, slides right across. Boom. We get rid of that. And get rid of that, and now it should just come right open. And there it is, right there, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And right here is the phone. And we'll just put that down right there for you. Put that off to the side, put this here, and we'll see all the extra stuff that comes here. So, in here you should have a charging cable. You do. Not sure if there's a, I think the SIM ejector is supposed to be here. Here's your charging cable right there. We'll just put that down. We'll just put that in that box there. And right here on the back is your SIM ejector if you use a physical SIM. So we'll just take that out right there. And you get some extra paperwork. Yeah, so the star of the show right here, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, you got the charging cable. And now I gotta unpackage the Galaxy S25 Plus. Right here you can see you got the screen here. Oh yeah, how beautiful is that? A lot of reflection, quite a few reflections I should say. Right here, this is the navy blue one and it looks beautiful. And right here, we'll just take this weird looking sticker off. Okay, so now it's time to boot it up, which by the way, I gotta say, this does feel like the iPhone a little bit, but we'll boot it up. It took a few seconds, but there it goes. And look, this is just a beautiful startup screen right here. So we're just gonna press start. And we're gonna agree to all the terms and conditions. So there you go. And then we're just gonna transfer from the Galaxy and Android. And of course, right here, you can come in and just, you could apparently use this QR code right here. So right there, you could see on my Galaxy S25, right there. Oh, it saw the QR code and, oh yeah, and right here is Meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. Seamlessly talk back and forth with an assistant that can do more for you, reimagined with Google AI. Here's how. You press and hold the side button right here. You could press and hold that, or you could just simply say, hey G, and then on the next screen to use Gemini hands-free. So we'll just press continue. Keep in mind your assistant will wait in standby mode to recognize when you say, hey G. Also at the top here, it says use Gemini hands-free with hey G. Ask your assistant to make calls, messages, play music, set timers, etc., etc. We're gonna turn that on. And then here's more from Galaxy AI. Of course, you got that now brief, now Bixby right here. And then of course, we're just gonna allow the permissions, next. Samsung Wallet, right there. Have everything check marked there. And now you're all set up. So we're gonna go through what's new. Complex tasks with simple Gemini. complex tasks made simple, or actually complex tasks simple with Gemini. You can also transcribe and summarize calls. So one of the things that you can do also is that you can also, with the Samsung phone app, you can actually record calls. Now it'll say that the call is being recorded, but you can record calls. So that is a good thing, because you also eliminate a lot of those malicious apps that say that they record calls. They don't really do much anymore. You can also listen to web page summaries, use Writing Assistant to help you write and edit, remove unwanted sounds with audio eraser. That is a big one for content creators. Of course, you could stay up to date with the Now Brief. You get options right at your fingertips. Draw new things into your images. Unleash the artist inside you. Create unique portraits. Translate calls in more apps. See your wallpaper change based on the weather and time. Bring photos to life with live effects. Clear circle to search. That's been here for a while now. Of course, you could translate calls in real time, obviously. Translate conversations. Note smarter, not harder. And of course, there's more new features, like, of course, a lot of these are from the previous version of Android, which was One UI 6, based off of Android 14. And here's some other new features: freedom collages, auto trim videos, and things like that. So that's everything right there on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So as you could see right here, it's transferring my SIM card right now. It's my eSIM, I should say. So it's transferring that over to the Galaxy S25 Plus, coming from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Okay, so now it says here that I could transfer my data, allow. I think I want to do this over a cable. I'm not sure if wirelessly would be faster. So I'll just plug this in right here. Plug this in here. We'll do cable. And connect to transfer. Now it's going to transfer everything over. All right, so I just transferred all my files. So according to the phone right now, it says that it's going to take another 42 minutes. Right there, you probably could see it, but it's going to take another 42 minutes, well, now 41 minutes, to download all of my apps and organize everything. So setting up this phone has been quite the process. All right, so finally, this phone has been set up fully. It took me hours to get this, well, not hours, but it took me a couple hours to get this thing fully set up, and now it's ready to rock and roll. It's ready to be my daily driver for however long I have it. And you can see I'm scrolling. This is Samsung's launcher, by the way. So I'm just scrolling through the software. You could go into settings right here. See, look at how smooth that is. Now, here's Now Brief, and this is what it looks like. Right there, you could see there's a winter weather advisory coming up. And then, of course, you see my energy score, which is up 22 points from yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't get the best night's sleep. But there it is, right there. You could see the weather, overnight lows in the mid-20s tonight. And it should eventually show the sports scores, and you could see it should appear down here somewhere, but I'll have to set that all up later on. All right, so I obviously do not hate this phone. I really like this phone a lot. I'm gonna be doing a review of this phone hopefully in the next couple weeks. But this navy blue looks really, really nice. Of course, I got my fingerprints already on the screen. That's all right though. But I really like what Samsung's got going on here. Of course, there's one mode that I didn't show you, and I'm going to show it to you right here. And of course, you could see it right there. This is called log mode. Now, I can't show you the video just yet because I am, of course, going to work on it. And of course, this is what it looks like on the phone right here. And you could see a little bit right here, it's very desaturated. So it's going to be very interesting to see how creators use this. Of course, you could go into post and edit the video and make it as saturated as you want, or you could just completely desaturate it. Basically, Samsung is saying, hey, you didn't like our oversaturation, so here you go. Now, this mode completely desaturates everything. Let's see what you got. So that's basically what Samsung is saying right there. But anyway, that's been it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all that, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, see ya, bye.